Hello wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you're heartily welcome, and please do consider clicking on that red and blue subscribe button to get yourself subscribed to this wonderful channel. Okay, also turn on your notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. On this channel, I upload contents on how you can naturally solve most of your health issues, benefits of so many natural things, DIYs, and so many more. So if you're interested in this kind of content, videos, topics, please do continue watching this channel. All right, today, loves, I am here to break a table, a particular table, and I'm very sure that the women community will not be happy with me after watching this video. Okay, so let me just say that if you're a woman, especially a woman that has a partner, please, this is your time to click out of this video. All right. All right, today is for my guys. I want to make sure that you're living healthy for us and happier. Right now, there is a trend. Should I call it a generational trend? Because this was not so, I will not say that it was not in existence. I will only say that it was not like common, but at a time it became common to the extent that whoever that does not indulge in this thing, it's considered a Jew guy, is considered unlovable, or should I say unromantic, right? There's a word like that, right? So today we're talking about eating or licking the VJ. Now, I said I'm going to break this particular table because I'm very sure that women, yes, the ladies, won't like this thing I'm about to say. But all in all, I'm still going to say that. Do you know that this VJ that you guys take so commonly, that you guys have taken so simple, has the probability of getting a whole lot of infections within a short period of time? Now, apart from being capable of acquiring gathering infections, it is not a simple thing. That organ is not simple at all. Imagine a whole lot of things that happens in and out of the VJ. Let's talk about the menstrual cycle. If you've ever read anything about the menstrual cycle, if you ever listened to your biology teacher about the women or a woman's menstrual cycle, you would think twice before using your mouth or your tongue there. Then, if you know the concept of delivery, if you know how a whole human being and things that surrounds a childbirth, you wouldn't even try to use your mouth or your tongue down there. Okay, now remember I said I am breaking a table, but don't worry, it's for your own good. If you know that you are not forced into doing this as a guy, your partner did not cajole you into doing this, your partner did not emotionally blackmail you into doing this, this is just something that you feel gives her joy and you are happy doing it, okay, fine, good. Just stay with me because I'm going to give you one or two things to do and you will still be okay. Now, let me tell you about the eating or licking of the VJ, the effect. Now, do you know that this can give you throat cancer? Have you heard of this? Have you ever imagined that this same thing that pleasurizes your partner and makes you happy too can actually give you throat cancer? Let me give you time to just digest what I just said, because I know most of you, 60 to 80% of you, don't even know about this. That is why I just brought it to your notice, right? And the fact that women are prone to BV, they are prone to genital warts, they are prone to herpes. In fact, women are prone to a lot of different infections, chlamydia, and so on and so forth, just because of these things, all these kinds of infections. And to top it off, there are some infections that cannot easily be detected. Like BV is an infection that actually you can actually easily detect, because the smell changes, everything. It will just be obvious that this woman has BV. But something like chlamydia is not easily detected, especially when is still early, is still on the early in the early stage. It is actually very hard to detect it as at that time. So imagine a woman that has chlamydia or any other infection and you're not aware of it, or you just want to overlook it and you just get in there. Imagine what happens to your mouth. Imagine the kind of unhealthy things that you are passing into your mouth, all because you want to pleasure your woman. So please, if you must do it, remember I'm going to talk about people that are doing it for their own happiness, or people that love their partner so much that they want to do this. They have determined that this must be done and can never be stopped. Okay, let me tell you what to do. Make sure that your woman is clean. Make sure that she has been vaccinated. Make sure that everything, every hygiene in this world that you can think of is being observed by her. So make sure that cleanliness of this woman is top notch. Make sure of that. Then also make sure that you're the only one and only partner of this particular woman, because like Nigerians, is it Nigeria or a Nigerian musician will say, your boo gets a boo. So what of if you have your boo and that same boo also has a boo? So imagine the kind of thing that you're passing through your mouth. So just think about this and we can still go on. If you are sure that your wife or your partner is clean and is good to go, continue. But if you have doubts, just talk to her about it and let her get treated, let her get vaccinated, and you can carry on living your good life. But if there is no way for you to talk to her about it, or you talked to her about it, she just don't want to listen to you, please, my brother, save yourself, save your throat. We still need you alive and well. Keep your tongue to yourself. Come close, closer. Let me say it again. Keep your what? Your tongue, your mouth to yourself. All right. Okay, loves, I've come to the end of today's video. If you loved this video as usual, please give me thumbs up. Remember to share my videos with your friends, your family members, and your loved ones. Do share my videos with everyone and to everywhere shareable. Until next time, remain blessed. Bye bye.